want to get cash, so basically what you do is, so this is a low value company that's located in Miami. It's being hurt currently due to less people going on cruises, but when people go on cruises again, then it'll go up. So check out how low it is right now. Year to date down, but check out how high it used to be. And then now you get $2 a year. Now you get 16% of your money that you put in paid out to you every year, assuming they don't cut it. Assuming they don't cut the amount of money you get. And then they've been paying it consistently now. And they've raised it from what it used to be. And then also, there's another company called Southwest that has a good balance sheet that might end up going up in the future. So don't guarantee me on either of these options, but these are some companies that you can look into by this annual report. So basically, you search up the annual report, read about the company, its balance sheet, all that kind of stuff, and then figure out if you like the company. If you don't like cruises, I wouldn't recommend buying it, but if you do, buy cruise. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like and share. Bye.